units, this is Spaceman, commencing drop in 1 mic.
Badger 01, standing by.
All pods, set to engage. Copy, dropping at grid 3159er. Repeat, 3159er. Cross-checked and verified.
Everybody hold tight. Here we go.
Just like in training, Mitchell.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Goddamn! 30 seconds to insertion point. Hey! See you on the other side. Hey, man! I'm seeing heavy enemy fire on our drop pad!
Copy that, Badger 01, adjusting your trajectory.
Hold on! Mitchell! Close the blast shield! Come on, Mitchell! Now! Mitchell, now! Resetting drop point! Brace yourself!
You still in one piece?
Mitchell, get the door.
Badger squad, the North Koreans have invaded the city and are pushing towards your position. Watch out for fire teams in your AO.
Copy that. Keep your eyes open, team. Yeah. Damn. Okay, we need to get our feet on the ground and link up with Demo Team 1.
Yes, sir.
문을 확인해. 이쪽이야.
Contact, contact!
Target down. 아군이 달렸다.
Got a sheer drop on this side. There's a clear spot over here.
We'll have to jump down. Everyone get your boosters ready. Remember, short burst to control your fall. Everyone up? Command post should be up ahead.
Solid copy, Bravo 3-2. Stay when you can.
Who the hell are you guys?
Badger Squad, 227. Providing support for Demo Team 1.
They're already on the move. Thought you guys were fragged.
What's your position?
2 clicks northwest at grid 775.
All right, we're moving.
Badger 01, be advised, we are tracking a drone swarm heading your way.
Everyone, keep your eyes open. Contact, 11 o'clock.
Watch your head. Contact.
drones off us. Each my time for the EMP to charge up. It's up strong. EMP's at 50%. EMP charged. Fired off.
Thanks for the help, Badger Squad.
Good work, soldier. Over here. Go, go! We need to push through this hotel. Zip line is coming in. 12 o'clock. Target down. Keep moving. Enemy, third floor back. Contact. Need to cross over to the other side. Get your boosters ready.
Only live once. This is nothing like basic, homie.
Secure that shit. Keep moving.
Havoc launcher, dead ahead.
That's our target. We need to find our demo team.
Took out the whole street.
The North Koreans are knocking out major roads. We're gonna have to get around this sinkhole to get to the commercial district. Demo Team 1. This is Badger 01. Are you there? Over.
Here, you Badger 01. We're approaching the Havoc launcher position. Sending you pinpoint coordinates now.
Copy. We are receiving. We are proceeding on foot. ETA 15 mics.
Copy that. We are strong holding our position. Over.
Okay, let's hustle, Badger Team.
Drone! Drone!
Clear! Subway car! They're popping smoke! Toss a brick grenade! Clear!
Bastards killed them all.
Stay focused. Nothing you can do for them now. Metro, get that gate open.
Checkpoint!
fire! Blue! ID yourselves.
Atlas PMC Rescue Force. Transporting a principal.
How's the weather south side?
It's a fucking mess. Better odds taking the east tunnel out.
Copy that.
Good luck. Let's move.
On me.
Atlas. Will, isn't that your dad's company?
Yup.
They got the best gear, the best pay. Like you never joined.
Wanted to serve my country. Not my old man.
Cut the chatter. Move ahead.
Contact! 11 o'clock!
More coming in!
Contact in the window! Mitchell!
Badger, where the hell are you? We're getting torn up! Just fire the
We gotta move. We need to get eyes on the demo team. Mitchell, over here. There's the Havoc launcher. Demo team should be nearby.
Over there! Shit. They're KIA.
Okay. I see their explosive packs. We can still do this.
Sir, we aren't a demolitions team.
No, we're not. We wait for another demo team and that launcher's gonna move position.
I'll get the charges, sir. Just give me cover.
You sure will?
Yeah, I can make it.
Okay. Mitchell, you're with Irons. We'll cover your movement.
Let's do it!
Will, that launcher is heavily armored. You're gonna have to find an access panel and grab the charges inside.
Copy that, sir. Mitchell, on me! Okay, let's make sure these men didn't die for nothing.
2-3, switching target. We're taking hits. Moving position. Cormac, that launcher is tearing us up. What's your status?
Demo team is KIA. We're attempting to complete the mission ourselves.
Contact, 1 o'clock.
We're almost there.
We can do Mitchell, over here.
Give me charge.
Okay, timer set. Give me... Oh, shit. Damn, I think my arm's broke. It fucking hurts. Okay, pull. Shit. Don't worry about that timer. Okay, one more time. Pull! Lift it off. You gotta go now. Mitchell! We're out of time! You gotta jump now!
It's okay. I'll see you on the other side.
Mitchell! Thanks, man. Badger 2 is down. I need immediate medevac. Hold on. Stay with me. You're gonna be all right. We're gonna get you home.